The Remote Service Case Plus. With the Remote Service Case Plus, HYDAC offers you a customized remote maintenance tool that supports you in all service issues relating to your system, whether for maintenance, repair or optimization. Do not wait for a visit from the service professional. Save time and costs and contact our specialist directly via the Remote Service Case. Just as with the RSC basic model, the Remote Service Case Plus also allows access to your system's PLC or to your measuring devices. In addition, you can connect up to 8 analog and 2 digital sensors directly to the case. This saves you the use of an additional measuring device. The RSC Plus allows access to the control of your systems or to your measuring devices via a secure ISO 27001 certified mobile phone connection. And in the absence of the famous power socket, you can also conveniently operate the RSC Plus with the separate battery pack. Following your request, our specialist logs into your system via the Remote Service Case Plus and can thus view the respective configuration program that is running or the sensor data. The RSC Plus offers the option of displaying sensor data directly on CMX, HYDAC's expert tool for condition monitoring. Problems can be identified together, or, for example, the configuration can be adapted and your system will be up and running again in the shortest possible time. Using the Remote Service Case Plus, you increase your plant availability, you optimize maintenance, service and repair times, and you avoid high downtime and assembly costs. The Remote Service Case Plus.